children, once again, this is Sir Boyet, your teacher for the day's lesson. Our lesson is about designing a product out of local, recyclable, solid, and or liquid materials in making useful products. Have you experienced making projects? What kind of projects did you make? What learning did you gain in doing such kind of project? How can we manage waste materials? Why should we recycle? Before we can answer these questions, one should be oriented first about waste management. Waste management is practice of proper waste disposal. It involves collecting, processing, and managing waste products with the goal of zero waste. Components of waste management. The 5 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and recover. Reduce. To reduce simply means to lessen the amount of waste in environment. This can be done by using less materials that are readily disposable. Buy products in bigger packs than those packed in small sachets. Small sachets can increase the production of non-biodegradable plastics. More plastic sachets will be discarded when you buy sachets. Buy rechargeable batteries instead of disposable batteries. Disposable products can increase harmful waste in the environment. Buy only the things you need. This way you can minimize waste disposal. Number 2, reuse. To reuse means to use again and find other ways to use materials for different purpose. For example, eco bags. When shopping or going to grocery store, you should use it. Use reusable containers when packing, storing food or drinks, and even when buying drinks. Use the properties of materials and find some other use for it. For example, empty bottles may be utilized as liquid container of cooking oil, vinegar, and the like. Refrain from buying new materials when you still have supplies that can be reused. This way, existing materials, with or without minor damage, can be used again for the same or different purpose. For example, you can reuse water bottle as liquid containers. Donate clothes and other useful materials to some organizations that conduct relief operations during calamities. Conduct garage sale not just for clothes but for other items that can still be reused. Recycle. To recycle means to create a new product using materials that has already served its purpose. Recycling products produces new materials out of discarded ones. Instead of reusing the bottles, a new product may be formed in recycling. Its new purpose should be different from its original function, but the idea of minimizing waste has been achieved. Recycling prevents wastage of materials that can actually be useful for different purposes. It also reduces the use of raw materials. Example, a bottle could be made again and again. However, other products such as made of aluminum, iron, copper could be used for something else. Bottles can be used to make pencil holders, flower vase, and plant holders. Newspaper can be made into paper mache. There are 2 types of recycling, the upcycling and the downcycling. Upcycling is a way to make higher quality materials from its original value. On the other hand, downcycling converts waste materials into new products with lesser quality. Steps in recycling. Number 1, collecting and sorting. Even if you are recycling in the right way, there are certain materials that need to be further separated. Some waste materials are sorted correctly to be sold in the junk shop. 2. Manufacturing. After step 1 is completed, it is time to move to the manufacturing process. As you can guess, here waste is given new life and most cases different uses. If we have to use glass as case in this point, once again, it can be recycled over and over again, countless amount of times. Then back to market. Once our recycled products have been turned into something else, they can be sold back to us. Buying recycled items could give you a sense that you are helping the environment and might even save your money in the long run. Next is repair. To repair means to fix slightly broken things to make them useful again. Repairable materials include furniture, appliances, and clothes. Instead of discarding broken or busted materials, they can be checked for repairability. If still repairable, this should be repaired instead of buying new materials to replace them. Repair means to repair damaged products before throwing them away. Example, taping worn out wires, sewing torn out clothes, gluing soled shoes, fixing bicycle wheels. And number 5, recover. Recover means getting materials or substance from garbage and having this process then reused. Making compost out of fruit and vegetables peeling. Collection of waste and segregating them in material recovery facility or MRF. Oil residue can be used in making lamps or used in bonfires. All forms of energy there are various ways to recovering energy from certain material. So how can energy be recovered? Plastics to oil technology is one of the ways generating energy from plastic waste. This method involves heating plastic waste in the presence of water, processing them to produce crude oil. Then the oil can be used as a source of energy. According to American Chemistry Society, the fuel from this technology can not only significantly reduce the amount of waste in the environment, but it can also use as oil to generate electricity for small communities. Why is recycling important? It saves energy, preserving raw materials, reducing air and water pollution. It conserves natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. Number 1, it saves energy. When using recycled materials in the manufacturing process, this requires less energy. Number 2, preserving raw materials. Recycling not only helps reduce waste, it also provides a source of income to families by selling the new products they form from discarded materials. Thus, no natural habitats get destroyed. 3. Reducing air and water pollution. It prevents pollution by reducing the need to collect new raw materials, saves energy, and helps create jobs in the recycling and manufacturing industries. Number 4, it conserves natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. For example, to make fresh paper, a tree has to be cut. But by recycling used papers to make writing paper, no tree needs to be cut anymore. What are the examples of recyclable solid materials that can be used in making useful products? Scrap papers. Used bond papers. old notebooks, old newspapers or magazines, cartons and cardboards, colored papers, scrap metals, aluminum basins, copper wires, metal farings, tin cans, aluminum wires, GI, tie wires, plastics, peat, water, and soft drinks bottles, plastic cups, ziploc basins, containers, hard plastic, baby feeding bottles, and CD, glass bottles, beers, soft drinks, ketchup, mayonnaise, and etc. Can you already imagine some useful products that can be made from these local recyclable materials? Before you start making your own project, let me share to you my video on how I reuse or recycle some waste materials at home with very little expenses. And now, take a look at this! Stop, look, and be amazed with these recycled projects. You can also make one! How to start in making a useful products out from recyclable local materials. Make a project plan. A project plan is a formal document designed to guide the control and execution of a project. Careful and systematic planning is the first step in starting a project. Plan what to create, the materials you need, and how to go about the project. Design, construct according to plan. Once you have chosen the design, list the materials needed and the steps to be followed in making the project. Remember, you must create something useful out of those local, recyclable, solid, and or liquid materials, so plan it carefully. This is an example of your project plan. Remember that through Recycle, we help our environment and we enhance ourselves on how to be creative and innovative in the place we are living. In addition, as an individual, we need to know the importance of taking care our environment, and that is through Recycle. Now, let's check what you have learned. Good luck!